Hello everyone. Each grid is about one side of 2 centimeters. I have taken the grid of side 30 centimeter in length and 21 centimeter in breadth. Here we are drawing the portrait of M.S.dhoni. So here we are doing the light sketch of every figures and then we are darkening it. We are drawing the portrait of M.S.dhoni. Yes, and now we are darkening each and every figure. We have taken the grid image of M.S.dhoni. Man observes nature and records its beauty in his mind. Then he tried to express it with the help of his aesthetic sensibility and imagination. This is human nature. An artist tries to constantly paint in nobility in his expressions of his aesthetic qualities. So here we are drawing the one by one parts as per the grid. Eye part, first we have to just draw a light border and then we have to darken.